am Navatej. I am a student of IIT Varanasi in third year mechanical engineering. When I thought of after completion of my third year, I should do an internship. It's actually compulsory in my college. But when I applied for different companies in Bangalore in IT field, I got rejected by many of them because I have very less skills in IT. Being a student of mechanical engineering, I had a lot of fear to come into this field, and I also got a lot of rejection. But when I contacted Grid R&D company, the HR sir, Charan sir, gave me a positive response, and I spoke to him on that day, and I got selected for the internship. On the starting day of my internship, I was very tense because I have been told that I have to work on a real-time project and my skills are very low. When I was introduced to team lead, and he accepted me with very poor skills also, and he teached me a lot, and at the time of applying for my internship, I only know JavaScript and some basics of Java, that's it. But today I have completed my internship just, and I am perfect in Java, PHP, and HTML, CSS, MySQL also. The thing I want to share today is my experience in Grid R&D. When I started my internship, I knew nothing about real work life in IT field or real careers that can be in this sector, and how to work on a project or nothing. But when I asked Prasad sir for a project, then he offered me so many projects that I have to select one to which I have to work on in IT itself. Then I have selected one project called JobRace, and it's a very good project. And my team leads Pankaj sir and Sarvesh sir and Pratik sir helped me a lot to go through the project. And I just completed it within time of 2 months, and I have got a very high skills of PHP and Java. Now I have confidence to pursue my career in this field in future, and I'm also confident of getting a good package in my college in our placements. Grid R&D is a very good company to do an internship or job, and it is a very good experience for me to do an internship here, and I am living with a very high technical knowledge. In a very little span, they have taught me a lot. All you need to do is just keep listening on to them and working hard according to their guidance. That's it. And if you want to prefer any company in this sector, just this company is best in learning. That's it.